Creating amazing video on Android is easier than ever. In this video, we will show you the top 3 best video editing apps for Android in August 2026 that help you edit like a pro. Add creative effect and transfer simple clip into starting content. The number 3 is InShot, one of the most popular video editing app for Android. With an impressive 4.6-star rating, over 23 million reviews, and more than 500 million plus installed worldwide. InShot is a powerful all-in-one video editor made for creators, beginners, and social media lovers. You can easily trim, cut, split, and merge video without complicated tools. What makes InShot stand out is her collection of features. You can add music, voiceover, stylish text, animation, stickers, filter, and smooth transition to make your video more engaging. Creating content for YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok become much easier with features like space control, speed control, slow motion effect, background blur, and HD export up to 4K quality. It also works as a photo editor, letting you create collage, added effective creative effect, and customize your picture with thousands of stickers and design. Whether you are making daily vlog, short videos, birthday edit, or social media content, InShot give you powerful editing tools in a simple interface. If you want a fast, beginner-friendly editor with professional feature, InShot is definitely an app worth trying. At number 2, we have VN Photo and Video Editor, one of the most popular editing app with a 4.5-star rating, over 5 million reviews, and more than 100 million installed worldwide. VN is built for creators who make TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Short, and cinematic video. It gives you a powerful multi-track timeline where you can trim, merge, and layer clip with precise control. You can add animated text, sticker, music, voice memos, transition, and even sync your edit perfectly with beats. The app also includes auto caption, text to speech, background removal, and smooth slow motion effect powered by smart tools. For creators who want faster editing, VN offers AI features like photo enhancement, image generation, and video generation to help create unique content ideas. The best part, you get advanced editing feature while keeping the interface simple and beginner friendly. Whether you are making short video for social media or full creative project, VN give you the tools to make your content stand out. At number 1, it's CapCut Photo and Video Editor, one of the most downloaded video editing app with a solid 4.3-star rating, over 12 million reviews, and more than 1 billion installs. The reason millions of creators love CapCut is because it makes editing feel easy. Even if you are a complete beginner, you can cut clips, edit transition, adjust speed, create smooth slow motion video, and turn simple movement into eye-catching content in just a few taps. But CapCut isn't only for free basic editing. It also has powerful tools like keyframe animation, motion tracking, green screen effect, and stabilization to help you create video that look like they come from professional software. Another huge feature is its smart editing tool. Auto caption can quickly add subtitles, background removal, help you create cleaner videos, and text to speech give you content in unique voice style. Plus, you get tons of trending effect, filters, sticker, fonts, and music that are perfect for YouTube Short, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Whether you are a beginner, influencer, or just someone who loves making video, CapCut give you the tools to create better content faster. If you want a powerful video editor that's simple, creative, and packed with feature, CapCut is definitely one of the best choice right now. Which video editing app is your favorite? Try this powerful tool, create amazing content, and don't forget to subscribe for more top app recommendation. Thanks for watching.